In this video we will create the bubbles for the top left box. So right here, these bubbles. In the first step we need values smaller than 0 from cell G5, and for the scoring points we need values bigger or equal than 3. So we will change the scoring points 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5 and 3.5. So you see we have no red bubbles here, and now we will click on our chart, right mouse key, select data, button add, then series name is product 1, x values, say G5, value for vertical line is I5, and the bubble size from cell E5. Okay, and then add product number 2, x values from cell G6, vertical value I6, and the bubble size from E6. Okay, and product number 3, x values from cell G7, vertical value from I7, and the bubble size from E7. Okay, product number 4, x values from cell G8, then vertical values from I8, and the bubble size from E8. And product number 5, then x values from cell G9, vertical value from I9, and the bubble size from E9. Okay, and okay, we will use a gray color, so we go to the bucket and fill a gray color for all bubbles. Then we will mark one bubble, go to chart design, add chart element, data labels, more data label options, mark series name, deactivate vertical values, label position, add center. Then next one, chart design, add chart element, data labels, more data label options, series name, deactivate vertical value and label position at center. Next one, add chart element, data labels, more data label options, series name, deactivate vertical value and label position at center. And there you go. The next one, data label, more data label options, series name, deactivate vertical value, label position at center. And the last one, add chart element, data label, more data label options, series name, deactivate vertical value and label position at center. So that's it for the top left bubbles. In the next video we will create the bubbles for the bottom right box, so the cash cows.